Hi, this is Nicolas, and this is the engineering update for the sprint of June 24th. So overall, great sprint. We completed most of the major stories, actually all the major stories, which included being able to read a blog post inside the application. It's not part of the application. We don't iframe to a different site for that, um, which will allow us to add discussion boards, likes, and other features that we couldn't do easily before. Then we also added the ability for administrator to be able to manage campaigns, SMS campaigns inside the application. And we do have added an external landing page with multiple calls to action so that Enquashi prospective clients can schedule time with Enquashi staff to go over details for plots. We also added better permission filtering, which fully restrict the logged in users from accessing other users' information. In terms of the engineering dashboard, the stories were a little bit bigger than we were used to, so we completed less stories. But still, it's not too bad. The first week of the sprint, we completed 6 stories versus, and the last week we completed 16, which amounts to 22 stories, which is not bad. In terms of code coverage, we are stagnant. The Rails code coverage dipped a little bit by 2%, but the overall code coverage for React basically stayed the same. Which basically brings the overall from 88 from 57.71 to 56. So it dipped a little bit, but not too much. The first week of the sprint, we did have some issues with rollbar. Apparently, there was an issue of undefined length and a missing parenthesis. We took it into account. We fixed at least one of them. And basically this week, we are not seeing this such a huge spike. In terms of merge requests per dev, is the first week we only did 2.3 merge requests per dev, but on the second week we caught up to 5.3, which is a good clip, which brings us at about a little bit less on average than 9 merge requests per development per dev per sprint. So which is good. On other notes, we are having a senior Rails engineer start on July 8th, and he's based out of India. We also had very informative discussions with PEO firms, which will allow us to hire employees anywhere in the world, and it's in line with our strategy to be able to increase the engineering output capacity pretty quickly. And we also have 2 promising possible candidates for full stack engineers out of Nigeria. And let's see. Oh yeah, finally, we're going to move our entire sprint process to GitLab at the end of next sprint. So very good positive news. Everybody is very excited to be able to have only one system um, for development. So it's great. And it will be much easier for me because GitLab will give me all the stats I need. So wonderful. Well, thank you very much, and see you next month.